Hey guys, welcome back to the Must-Have Tech channel. If you're building the ultimate gaming setup in 2026, choosing the right gaming desk is just as important as choosing the right gaming PC, monitor, or chair. A good gaming desk should give you enough space for your monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and other accessories while also keeping your setup comfortable and organized. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best gaming desks on Amazon in 2026. We've included large electric standing desks, ergonomic options, and dedicated gaming desks to suit different setups and budgets. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. HUANUO 71 by 30-inch large electric standing desk. Starting our list at number 1 is the HUANUO 71 by 30-inch large electric standing desk. If you need a lot of space for a large gaming setup, this desk immediately stands out. Its 71 by 30-inch desktop provides plenty of room for multiple monitors, a gaming PC, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and other accessories. One of its biggest features is the brushless electric motor. It allows you to adjust the desk between sitting and standing positions with the push of a button. The desk also features 4 memory presets, so you can save your preferred heights and switch between them quickly. The frame is designed to support up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for heavier gaming setups. Cable management and accessory hooks also help keep your gaming area organized. Pros: large 71 by 30-inch desktop, electric height adjustment, brushless motor, 4 memory presets, strong frame, supports up to 220 pounds. Cable management, great for multi-monitor gaming setups. Cons: large footprint requires more room. Assembly can take some time. Overall, the HUANUO is an excellent choice if you want a large, height-adjustable desk with plenty of space for a serious gaming setup. Number 2. 60 by 30-inch electric standing desk with flip-top cable management. Coming in at number 2 is the 60 by 30-inch electric standing desk with flip-top cable management. This model is designed for gamers and home office users who want a combination of electric height adjustment and better cable organization. The 60 by 30-inch desktop provides a good balance between workspace and room size. You can comfortably fit a gaming monitor, keyboard, mouse, laptop, and other accessories without requiring the enormous footprint of a 70-inch desk. The standout feature is the flip-top cable management system, which can help hide and organize cables underneath the desktop. And because it is an electric standing desk, you can easily change positions throughout the day. Pros: 60 by 30-inch workspace, electric height adjustment, flip-top cable management, good balance of size and functionality, suitable for gaming and work, helps keep cables organized. Cons: less desktop space than the 71-inch options. Cable management may require some setup. Overall, this desk is a strong choice for gamers who want a clean-looking setup with electric height adjustment without taking up too much space. Number 3. Eureka Ergonomic Gaming Desk 60-inch. At number 3 is the Eureka Ergonomic Gaming Desk from the Captain series. Unlike the first 2 options, this is a dedicated gaming desk rather than an electric standing desk. It features a 60-inch desktop, giving you enough space for a gaming monitor or multi-monitor configuration, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and other gaming accessories. One of the most distinctive features is the polygon legs design, which gives the desk a unique gaming aesthetic. This makes the Eureka particularly interesting for gamers who care about the appearance of their gaming setup as much as functionality. The black finish also works well with a wide range of gaming PC setups. Pros: 60-inch gaming desktop, dedicated gaming design, unique polygon leg design, spacious workspace, stylish black finish, suitable for gaming and home office use. Cons: no electric standing functionality. Gaming-focused appearance may not suit minimalist setups. Overall, the Eureka Ergonomic Captain series is a great choice if you want a dedicated gaming desk with a distinctive design and plenty of workspace. Number 4. Secretlab Magnus Evo XL Electric Standing Desk. At number 4, we have the Secretlab Magnus Evo XL, a premium electric standing desk designed for both gaming and professional setups. This is one of the most feature-rich desks on our list, particularly when it comes to organization and cable management. The Magnus Evo XL measures 70 inches wide, giving you a large workspace for gaming monitors, accessories, and other equipment. Secretlab lists the XL model at 1774 millimeters, or approximately 70 inches wide, with a height range from about 28.3 inches to 46.1 inches. One of its biggest advantages is its cable management system. Secretlab designed the Magnus Evo with a dedicated cable tray and magnetic accessory ecosystem to help keep cables organized. It also features electric height adjustment and an integrated power solution. The result is a desk that can look extremely clean even with a complicated gaming setup. Pros: extra large 70-inch desktop, electric sit-stand adjustment, premium construction, excellent cable management, integrated power solution, magnetic accessory compatibility, great for gaming and professional setups. Cons: premium price. Proprietary accessories can add to the overall cost. Large footprint. Overall, the Secretlab Magnus Evo XL is an excellent choice if you're building a premium gaming battle station and want exceptional organization and cable management. Recent reviews also highlight its smooth height adjustment, sturdy construction, and strong cable management system. Number 5. Huuger 55 by 28 Large Electric Standing Desk. And finally, at number 5 is the Huuger 55 by 28 Large Electric Standing Desk. This is a more compact option for gamers who don't have enough room for a massive 60 or 70-inch gaming desk. The 55 by 28-inch desktop gives you enough space for a typical gaming setup while keeping the overall footprint more manageable. It also features electric height adjustment, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing positions. The desk includes 3 preset heights, which makes it easier to quickly return to your preferred position. You also get 2 hooks, which can be useful for headphones, bags, or other accessories. Pros: compact 55 by 28-inch design, electric height adjustment, 3 preset heights, 2 accessory hooks, good for smaller rooms, suitable for gaming and home office use, standing and sitting functionality. Cons: less desktop space than larger desks, may be less suitable for very large multi-monitor setups. Overall, the Huuger is a great option for gamers who want an electric standing desk but don't have enough space for a huge gaming desk. So, those are the top 5 best gaming desks on Amazon in 2026. If you want maximum workspace and a powerful electric standing design, the HUANUO 71 by 30-inch desk is an excellent choice. If you want a 60-inch electric standing desk with cable management, the second option offers a good balance between workspace and functionality. For gamers who prefer a dedicated gaming design, the Eureka Ergonomic Captain series is a stylish option. If you're building a premium gaming battle station, the Secretlab Magnus Evo XL stands out with its large desktop, electric height adjustment, premium design, and advanced cable management. And if you have a smaller gaming space, the Huuger 55 by 28-inch electric standing desk is a compact alternative. Before buying, make sure you measure your available space and consider how many monitors and accessories you plan to put on the desk. I've included the product links in the description so you can check the latest prices and availability. If this video helped you find the right gaming desk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming gear reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.